Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we will see that how we can install the latest Microsoft Office 365. And in order to do so, first of all we have to make sure that if we have the older version of Microsoft Office 365 in our laptop or in our computer, first of all we have to uninstall it. So let me check out go into the control panel, then programs, then program inside feature, and you can see that I don't have any Office. So in your case, if you have any Office, then you have to uninstall it from here first, and then you have to start the process. So in order to do so, you have to go into the Chrome, then onto the Chrome you have to type Office deployment tool. You will get first link. Once you get the link, you have to click on that, then you have to download. Once you click onto the download, then the file will be downloaded in front of you. Come on. So you can see that file has been downloaded. It is lightweight file. Just cut it. Just cut this file. Go into the C drive. Then create a folder. Give the name Office. Then double click on it. Paste here. Once you paste here, then you have to double click on it. Yes, accept, continue. So we have to select the same folder, C drive, and then Office. Then you have to click OK. Once you click OK, you can see that the file has been extracted. So once the file is extracted, delete this one. We don't need it. Right click on it, then shift delete. Then you have to open another tab of Chrome and then type Office customization tool. Once you type the Office customization tool, then you have to click on that. Once you click on that, then here you have to select your version 64-bit. Then you have to select the Office suite. We will go for Office 2024. So it is the latest one, and then we will scroll down, and then we have to select our desired apps. So I don't need it, and I don't need it, and rest is okay. So I will click onto the next. Once you click onto the next, then you have to select the language, obviously United States, then hit next. Once you hit next, then you have to scroll down. Everything is good, then hit next. Uncheck this because we don't have any Office, so no need to uninstall it, obviously. So uncheck it, and then we will hit next, and then we will hit next, and then we will hit next, and then finish. So once you finish it, you have to export the file. Let's export it. We have to export in XML format. Click on that, then OK. Then you have to accept the terms and condition. The file name is configuration. You can change the name of file, it's on up to you, but I will keep it as it is. Export. The file has been exported, so we will cut this file and we will go on to the C drive, Office, then we will paste it. Once done, then we have to open the command line, run as administrator, then we have to click cd double dot, cd space double dot, then dir, then cd office, then dir, and then setup.exe space / configure space, and then the file name. Then hit enter. You can see that Office wizard has been started and installation will be appear soon. Latest Office is being installed in front of you. So you can see that Office installation has been started successfully in front of you. So it would take around 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video, and otherwise video will get longer, and once it's done I will resume this video. So Office has been installed successfully. Now we have to close it, and now we have to go on to the, let's say, Excel, and you can check out. Accept, license agreement accepts. Okay. Done. Now you can use free Microsoft Office Excel latest version 2024 and enjoy your work. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Bye bye.